Hi, I'm Timothy Purcell, and I'd like to do a difference quotient problem with my college algebra class. And this is number 3 in y'all's homework, okay? Number 3, let me write down the function for you. F of x is equal to negative 5x squared plus 3x plus 1. Remember, the difference quotient is f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. We did a problem like this earlier and we broke it into 3 steps. I'm going to do the same thing here. They don't ask you to break the problem into 3 steps, but if I'm evaluating a difference quotient, I break it in 3 steps. Even in my business calculus class when we're working with the definition of derivative, when I'm evaluating a difference quotient, I break it into these 3 steps. The first thing I do, I'll do each step in a different color. The first thing I do is I find f of x plus h. F of x plus h. That says you go through your function f. Everywhere you see an x, you write an x plus h. You go to your function f. Wherever you see a variable, you write your x plus h. We have to square x plus h. What did I say we do there? Oh, okay, I said remember what it is, and that is x squared plus 2hx plus h squared. I still have that plus 3 times the x plus h plus 1. X plus h squared, make a note. You're foiling out x plus h times x plus h. X plus h squared, you FOIL it to get your x squared plus 2hx plus h squared. And now I'll go ahead and distribute through the constant terms. I'll distribute through the negative 5. This sort of looks bad, doesn't it? Negative 5x squared. Distributing the negative 5, we get negative 5x squared minus 10hx, okay, minus 5h squared. Distribute the 3, we get a plus 3x plus 3h, and we still have the 1. So there's my f of x plus h. If I'm evaluating a difference quotient, the first thing I do is find f of x plus h. Then I subtract off the original terms. This is the second step. I take what I just found in step 1 and I subtract off the original terms. You take what you just found here, everything that's here, and common to f of x you're subtracting off. So which terms are going to be subtracted off? You're taking your f of x plus h, you're subtracting your original function. Which terms are going to disappear? Okay, so the minus 5x squared, that's gone. I'll write it there. Anything else? The 3x minus 3x, I agree, and 1 minus 1. I said that for polynomial functions, if you're finding a difference quotient, the only terms that will be left in this step are those containing the letter h. I agree. So we have a negative 10hx minus 5h squared plus a 3h. And this second step you can do without showing any work if you understand what they're asking for. Take what you just found and subtract off the original function's terms. Step number 3. I'm finally going to answer the question. They wanted us to find f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So f of x plus h minus f of x, that's what we just found. That's the stuff there in step 2. Negative 10hx minus 5h squared plus 3h. And we're going to divide that by h. Every term has an h in the numerator. What can I do now? Okay, I can take out an h from the numerator. I'm factoring out an h. So, taking out an h from the first term in the numerator, I have a negative 10x. What have I got left here? A minus 5h, I agree. And here, h divided by h, we have the final answer of negative 10x minus 5h plus 3. For my final answer. And that's what goes up here in this little bitty box. So if you're finding f of x plus h minus f of x all divided by h, even if they don't tell you to break it up, if they're only looking for one final answer, I still break it into 3 steps. I find f of x plus h, I then subtract off the original terms, and then finally I factor out the h and cancel. Any questions there?